Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. My name is Julie and my channel is based on me building my Jtru design business on Etsy. I make party decorations and gifts for people. So hopefully you enjoy these type of videos. And I also make videos on how to make party decorations. So feel free to check some of those videos out. So as usual, I will be filming myself working through the week, and you'll get a glimpse of the type of orders I receive and package and get sent out. I hope you find this video enjoyable and possibly relaxing. So without further ado, let's begin. So I have received a personalized cake topper for Alice, and I am designing it through Cricut Design. I hope you guys are enjoying what you see so far, and I would really appreciate it if you can hit the like button down below, as this will help my channel grow and reach out to more people. Thank you all so much. So I just got some parcels through the post and I thought I will unbox it and show you guys what I got. Oh my goodness, they have arrived. I bought these, can you see them? These penguins for my Christmas jars. I am basically preparing for Christmas and do everything in advance so that I'm not left doing everything at the last minute. See that? Isn't that super cute? If you guys are interested, then just head over to my shop to see all my Christmas stuff, and these guys will be relisted soon. That's the key. Basically just more cardstock really. These are, this colour is like a pale blue. It's 170 GSM and I often use it for my greeting cards and to pack my cake toppers. So yeah, just stocking up really. So now I'm just going to pack a bunch of orders and you'll see me work at a very fast speed, but obviously it's because I'm fast forwarding it. And I would just like to know what you guys think in general, like what do you like to see me film the most, and I would love to hear your feedback on that. So that is it for this week, and I hope you guys have enjoyed watching some of the clips that I have added to this video. And quite honestly, I haven't been that busy lately. It's a little bit quiet during the season and it's quite normal, so it gives me time to catch up with other things and also sort out my taxes and also create new things for this Christmas. So hopefully in the next video I'll get to show you some of that. and share some of the Halloween stuff I already have in my shop. And I do apologise to you guys for not uploading my studio vlogs more regularly. It's just so much has been happening and I'm just trying to play catch up, but maybe I'll let you know a bit more information in the next video about my life update, and just so that you have a better understanding. And just before I go, just to let you know that I am currently on 278 Etsy listings, and if you follow me on this journey you will know what I'm talking about. And I just wanted to say thank you all so much for supporting my channel. Please do like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.